Hi all of you, this is my personal favorite, the Turmeric Night Repair Cream from Haappy Herbs. One of my most favorite packaging as well. I don't know, I find it very Indian royal and that very traditional. And I've been using this for like ages now. And this is truly my savior, especially in Amka season, mango season, Amaga, Mambaram season. Of course, this is my savior because every time I have the fruit, I don't know, I may be wrong also, it may not be the reason, but எனக்கு எப்பவுமே ஒரு பாயில் மாதிரி வந்துடும் அண்ட் என்னால் கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ண முடியாது. இட்ஸ் சீசனல் ஃப்ரூட், அதை சாப்பிட்டு தான் ஆகணும். அதனால திஸ் நோ வென் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் அப்ளை இட் ஓவர் நைட் இட் ஜஸ்ட் டைஸ் டவுன் தட் ஆக்னே ஆர் வாட் எவர் தட் இஸ் erupted, it dies down. Or even during our period cycle, if we tend to get one or two, I just don't care at all. Like my friends also, they get so worked up and they're like, Sruthika, you're getting acne, you're getting this, you're getting that. I was like, it's okay. This will take care. So I like this that much. In fact, I'm going for a shoot now, so I have my makeup on, else I would have showed you how it had erupted and how it's died down on my chin. So maybe next time without makeup I should do this. And this is our turmeric cream, and the smell is pure haldi, pure turmeric. It smells amazing, and even the feel when you apply it in the night, it's a night cream only. When you apply it in the night, when you apply haldi, you get that kind of a tinkling sensation, or the nice, that sensation it gives you, that shows how pure it is.
Happy Herbs by Shruthika. Available only on our website happyherbs.com.